Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use wireless power sharing on Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Let's have a look. First, you need to enable wireless power share. On your Samsung smartphone, swipe down twice to open quick settings panel. Then slide right to left. Then tap edit button from top. Tap edit option under full section. Here you will see available buttons. Slide right to left and find out wireless power sharing. Select wireless power sharing icon. You will see it will be added on the top. Tap done and tap back button. Now to enable power sharing on Samsung phone, swipe down twice from top of the screen. Slide right to left on quick settings panel. Then tap wireless power sharing. Wireless power sharing ready to charge. Put the center of your phone back to back with another device. Now place a device on the back of your Galaxy phone to start charging. You can also enable wireless power share using settings menu. First, open settings app on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Then tap battery. Scroll down little bit and tap wireless power sharing. Read the information about wireless power sharing, then turn on wireless power sharing. Now place a device on the back of your Galaxy phone to start charging. That's it. These are the steps to use wireless power sharing on Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.